Hi everyone, Leah here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com with another video for you. Before I get started, just a quick reminder to go check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and you'll always know when we're posting new content. So today what I'm going to show you are the new patterns that we are featuring from Italian bead artist Szidonia Petki of Sidonia's Beads, which is an Etsy shop where she sells her patterns. Some of you who follow our channel and our website may remember that a couple of months ago we featured 4 new patterns by bead artist Michelle Snyder of Poetry and Beads, and we feature them now on our website, where we link you to her Etsy site so you can buy the pattern from her and come back and buy the materials needed from us, and in sometimes smaller quantities than what we normally sell them for, so you have a more appropriate amount of beads for the project. Well, we are now launching our next artist, as I said, Szidonia Petki from Italy, and these are the 4 patterns we're going to be launching from her. I'm actually wearing one of the other one, which I'll talk about last because it's my favorite. So the 4 patterns that we're going to be launching from her, and again, the way that it works with our pattern partnership is we will give her a section on our website, and we will show the patterns, and we will show you them in colors that I've done up here using her directions. So you have my word that the directions are stupendous because I have created her projects from them. So we will show you the beads that I've used, as well as the colors that she used in her samples that you'll see in her Etsy listings for the pattern. And we will link you to all of those products if you want to use our color schemes or her color schemes, and you will be able to buy the materials from us and go to her Etsy shop and buy the pattern, which will be a digital download pattern, and you can buy the pattern from her. And so that's this lovely pattern partnership we've come up with to bring you, our customers, the best pattern artists that we can find out there on the interwebs. And again, I have myself made all of their projects from the directions, so I can vouch for the absolute beauty of their directions with regard to the wording, the images, the diagrams. It's all wonderful. So I'm going to give you some close-ups of these beautiful patterns. So the first one is her Lotus Flowers bracelet. And I have chosen to make it in sort of a bridal white AB and some double AB crystal sort of look. And this one, I think this would be stunning on a bride, but she actually has it in some beautiful colors as well. But it's a beautiful pattern that utilizes super duos and crystals and seed beads, and of course my favorite Rivolis, which you can see right there, looking sparkly as ever. And this one I think is absolutely stunning, and it's a great intermediate project for a bead weaver or an adventurous beginner even. Hey, if you think that you're gonna be real comfortable jumping right into it, go for it. It's a beautiful, easy to follow pattern for this absolutely stunning bracelet. Again, this is her Lotus Flowers bracelet. Utilizes Rivolis and super duos, some of the most wonderful, popular products to work with. So next, I will show you her Rivoli Pendant necklace, and I've done it here in 2 different color schemes. And this is a beautiful way to capture a Rivoli, a Swarovski crystal Rivoli, within the setting that she's come up with, which utilizes seed beads in a few different sizes, as well as more crystal as well. Has an absolutely stunning back. The way that she captures her Rivolis is just really creative. And then it goes right on into a beaded necklace portion, so the whole thing is totally wearable. You don't have to bead something separate for the pendant. The whole thing is connected together. So I've done it in a couple of colors here. She has it in some other colors as well. And it's just a really stunning, simple, beautiful pendant. This would be something for someone maybe who wants something that they're gonna finish in just a few hours in an evening, or maybe you wanna give this as a gift to someone who wants a piece of bead woven jewelry that's a little bit on the more dainty side. This is an absolutely stunning, stunning pendant. So next we have her vintage style earrings, which I'm in love with. They utilize Swarovski chatons, as well as little 3mm pearls and 3mm crystals, and I'm in love with how she's captured the chaton. Chatons are a little trickier to capture than a Rivoli because they're not completely balanced on the front and the back. They have a different front and a different back, and she has the most beautiful, intricate, lacy back to this, which I think is beautiful. And the pearls just accent the chaton on the front in such a gorgeous way. So I've done 2 color schemes for you in this earring, and she has some as well. I did pretty light lavender and a pretty beautiful light and deep green color, both accented with silver seed beads because I think that's just worked nicely with these colors. Okay, and now last but not least, the showstopper, I think. This is her boxed crystals bracelet, and check this out. It is beyond sparkling. It is a stunner of a piece. It uses tons of wonderful super duos, which we all know and love. If you haven't worked with super duos before, you're gonna get hooked just like I did. They are so much fun. This is the color scheme that I came up with. I kind of feel like it reminds me of like a peacock with all the blues and greens kind of getting deeper into the centers of our little crystal boxes here. It utilizes some magnetic clasps to hold it together. And it is just a beautifully substantial bracelet. I could absolutely see myself wanting to borrow this and wear on New Year's Eve. I don't know about you, but it's just so incredibly dazzling and sparkly. And it may not be an everyday bracelet for everyone, though I do happen to know some people who would absolutely wear this every day. But even just as a gorgeous special occasion bracelet, it would be an absolute stunner. And so that's what we have here. Beautiful. It's actually very comfortable, very flexible to wear, as you can see. But it's also very sturdy. It feels very substantial, but it is comfortable. So that is, again, the boxed crystals bracelet. To me, this is just the showstopper of the bunch. So we will be launching Sidonia very, very soon. Actually, by the time you see this video, within the next day or so after that, or even by the time this is launched, we will have her patterns up on our website. We will do lots of promotion, so it will be hard to miss, I'm sure, whether you follow us on Facebook or Instagram or Pinterest or on our website. We will make sure that you are aware of how to find these on our website. And again, it will link you to all of the products and the colors that I used, as well as the colors that she used in her samples, which you'll see in the pictures on her Etsy listings. And we will link you right over to the Etsy listings so you can buy her beautiful patterns for digital download. And then you can come back and you can get the materials from us. So that's it, guys. Wanted to show off this next new artist. Keep your eyes peeled. We're going to do many more artists in the future. I myself may or may not be one of them, so keep your eyes peeled. And that's it for now. Comment below if you have any questions. Bye.